Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the electronic configuration of atoms. The atom is built up by feeding of electron in the orbitals, the arrangement of electron, the distribution of electron in different orbitals is known as electronic configurations. It is depend upon the above principle, Ohm's rule, and Pauli exclusion principle. Now we study one by one rule here. Now electronic configuration of atom. The atom is built up, परमाणु बना है by feeding electrons in orbitals. इलेक्ट्रॉनों के ऑर्बिटल में भरने के कारण ही परमाणु बना हुआ है. One at a time, by placing each new electron. First of all, one electron filled and then after that placing each new electron in the lowest available energy orbitals. Here the distribution of electron in the different orbitals is known as electronic configurations of atoms. Now let us suppose that here is the orbitals and these are the electrons and this is clockwise, spin of electron clockwise, and this is so that spin of clock anti-clockwise. Now for writing the configurations we use the above principle, Ohm's rule, and Pauli exclusion principle. First of all we study about above principles, filling of orbitals. Here electron enters the orbital of lowest energy first. इलेक्ट्रॉन सबसे पहले कम ऊर्जा वाले ऑर्बिटल में प्रवेश करता है एंड देन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट उसके बाद आर नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन आर फील्ड इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एनर्जी. उसके बाद अगला इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊर्जा के बढ़ते क्रम में फील होता है. नाउ we write the order of orbitals here. Now for multi-electron atoms, that atoms have two or more electrons, the following sequence is obtained for the orbital in the increasing order of energy. This orbital has increasing order of energy. As we see that 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, after that 4d. This is just like in order of increasing energy. These orbitals, it can be easily we study. Here n is equal to 1. This is only s orbital. N is equal to 2. This is s and p orbital. N is equal to 3. This is s, p and d orbital. N is equal to 4. S, P, D and F orbital. n is equal to 5, s, p, d और f, n is equal to 6 and here n is equal to 7. Now we arrange here this is a 2s, 1s, after that 2s, then फिर 2p, 3s, फिर again we take here from the right hand side 3p, 4s, फिर पुनः जो है again 3d, 4p, 5s, after that this here 4d, 5p, 6x, after that 4f, 5d, 6p, 7f, then after that in this case here this series complete. Now this can be also written as 1s, 2s, 2p, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6d, 6f, 7s, 7p, 7d, 7f, spdf are the orbitals. After that, here this is we cut here this, 1, 2, 3, here 5p, 3, after that 4f, here. Now we take here comes back this, after that here back to 1s, 2s, after that here 2s, 2p, 2s, 2p, after that 2p, 3s, 3p, this come back here 3p, 4s, after that 3d, 4p, 5s, after that this is here comes 3d, 4d, 5p, 6s, after that 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, after that here this come back here and return to here. Now as you know that S has 2 electron, this is a 2 electron, this is a S, P has 6 electron, D has 10 electron, F has 14 electron. If we sum up all the electrons in this times 180 elements have known. After adding these electrons, we reach at the 118 after turn on here. Now, with the help of this, the increasing energy of the orbital can easily be written as, yeah, we study this type 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s. This comes to orbital 1 1 and next to 2 2, next to 3 3, next to 4 4. With the help of this, and we start from the right hand side here. Always we start from the here, and this come back here. This come back here. This is same things, so that we easily remember with the help of this. Now we write this with the help of some rule, that is the electrons having the n plus n rule, lowest n plus l value that fill up first. If the n plus l value is same, then the value of n is less of those electrons that fill in the first in the orbit. Now we study this further. Now the energy of an orbital is determined by using n plus 1 rule. With the help of this rule, these orders will be written here. Now first orbit fill in the order of increasing value of n plus 1. Now here 3s and 4s, 3s orbital n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3 and s is equal to 0, s is equal to 0, 0 के s 1p 2 spd 3f. Here that is the value of L. Now 3s, s के लिए value of L 0, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 and 4s, n is equal to 4 and s is equal to 0, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So that the energy of an orbital is determined by using n plus l rule. In this case, n value of n plus l is equal to 3 and 4, so that this and this 3s will be filled first, then 4s, because it has lower energy. Example second, 3p orbital and 2s orbital here. N principal quantum number, that is n is equal to 3 and l p के लिए जो है वैल्यू ऑफ l is equal to 1, तो 3 plus 1 4 and 2s वैल्यू ऑफ n is equal to 2 and s orbital के लिए जो है 0, so that 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, so that value of this is less and this comes here, so that 2s will be filled first, then the 3p. 2s will be filled first, then the 3p here, that is the first. Now this is the first rule, and after that second here. Now second, if two orbital have same value of n plus 1, n plus l, then the orbital which have low value of n will filled first. here 2p orbital and 3s orbital, 2p orbital and 3s orbital here, 2p n equal to 2 and value of value of p के लिए 1, so that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and here n is equal to 3 and ये 0, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, both are equal and if the value of n plus l will be here equal, so that second part if two orbital have same value, then the orbital which have low value of n, here value of n equal to 2 and here value of n is equal to 3. First of all, this field 2p orbital will be filled first, then 3s. Now we can also take another example, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and here 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. We can see here 4s and 3d. This comes here, but according to this rule, for this n plus l equal to 4 plus 0, n is equal to 4, s is equal to 0 and 4 and n plus l here 3, d के लिए value of l equal to 2, this is equal to 5. According to first rule, the lowest value of n plus l here 4, so that 4s orbital comes first and then after that 3d orbitals. Now here 4p and 5s, 4p and 5s, it can also be taken up here. This is 5s and 4d, 5s and 4d and 4d, 5s and 4d, 5s, 4d comes here, but 5s comes here and 4d after that. N plus l, value of n plus l equal to 5 plus 0, s के लिए 0, that is equal to 5 and this n plus l, n is equal to 4, d के लिए l का value जो है 2 plus 2, this is equal to 6, so that lowest value is 5s, so that 5s comes earlier and after that 4d, so that with the help of this rule, we arrange the energy according to increasing of energy of orbitals. And now we study about the Ohm's rule. After that, now Ohm's rule of maximum multiplicity here. Electron pairing will not take place in orbital of same energy, same sum cell until each orbital is singly filled. It means that we take the oxygen atom which has 8 electrons. First of all, 1s to 2 electron filled. Here is also 2 electron filled. 2 to 4 electron. If 5 electron here, 6 electron here, 7 electron in this case, and then 8 electrons here. This is correct order. This rule say that जब तक जो है सभी ऑर्बिटल में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं हो जाते हैं, तब तक जो है उसके कोरेस्पॉन्डिंग जो है 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं होंगे। इसका मतलब इसमें 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ नहीं संभव है, जब तक कि सारे ऑर्बिटल जो भी प्रेजेंट हैं, जो ऑर्बिटल के घटक है पी एक्स पी वाई पी जेड, जब तक फुलफिल नहीं एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं आ जाते हैं, तब तक 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसमें नहीं आए। नेक्स्ट कह रहा है कि पॉली एक्सक्लूजन, दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दिस पॉली एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल। नो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन हैव द सेम वैल्यू for all 4 quantum numbers. With the help of quantum numbers, every electron has identified the atoms with the help of quantum number. It means that no any 2 electron have same number of 4 quantum numbers. Now we take here one problem. Here, what will be all the quantum number? सभी क्वांटम नंबर क्या होंगे? प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, एज्यूमेटिकल क्वांटम नंबर, मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर एंड स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर फॉर 5th and 8th electron in the oxygen atom. Now we discuss about these examples. Now we asked here 5th electron of oxygen atom, calculate the 4 quantum number, and 8th electron of oxygen atom, calculate the all 4 quantum number. Now here oxygen has 8 electrons. 8 electron is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. 2 to 4 for 8 electron. Now 5th electron in the oxygen atom, 2 and 2 4 electron. 5th electron come to here, that is 2p1 come to here 2p1, so that value of n principal quantum number equal to here principal quantum number equal to 2 and value of L 0 and 1. 0 is for s orbital and 1 is for p orbitals. As you know that value of L 0 1 2 3, this is s orbital, this is p, this is D, this is F, and this is value of L, and this is orbital. Now 4 electron, 5th electron that comes here, so that n equal to 2 and m is equal to 1. And for this m equal to -1 and here only 1 electron that comes this type, that is a positive, so that 50 for the 50 electrons principal quantum number 2, azimuthal quantum number this is 1, this is -1 and spin is plus half. Now if 6 electrons comes here, that comes in this case, so that changes the value of m0 and this is same. If 7th electrons, this comes here, so that value of m, n and l same, but value of m change and spin is same. After that 8th electron in the oxygen atom, 2 to 4 or 3, 7, 1 electron comes here, so that n is equal to 2 and l is equal to p P, here is equal to 1, and here means electron here, that is -1, and here double electron, negative sign, it means that anti-clockwise, that is a -12, so that we see that here all the 4 quantum number of H electrons are different, not all the 4 quantum number of 2 electrons is same. Here, now we take chlorine here. Chlorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 2, 8 and 7. Here calcium 2, 8, 8, 2. Now we take the chromium here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d. Here in this case, this and this, as you know that here 3d has 10 electron. Here says maximum electron 2. Here says maximum electron 2. P has 6, D has 10, F has 14 electron. Now in this case 10 electron, but according to this 4s2 and 3d4, this is fulfilled and this is a one unpaired here. As you know that half filled orbital is more stable than the full filled orbital. Here full filled orbital, so that due to this one electron jump from here to come here, so that this is a half filled, this is also half filled. As you know that half filled orbital is more stable than the full filled, so that in a chromium one electron from 4s jump to the 3d, so that actual electronic configuration of chromium equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 5p. 5 all the orbitals half filled and it is stable, so that correct electronic configuration will be this. Now copper 29, here 1s2, 2s2, 2 to 4, 4, 6, 10, 12, 6, 18, 20 and now 29, 29 expected electronic configuration, but here 3d 10, so that one electron comes to in this case, and because unpaired orbital has more stable, so that one electron comes to here, and this actual electronic configuration of copper will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d 10. Now electronic configuration of cation and anion. In this case, we take iron, that atomic number 26. This is a 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 20, 26, 26. Now this is argon, and 2 electrons removed from this, so that electron removed from this s ऑर्बिट, जिस ऑर्बिटल के n की वैल्यू अधिक होती है उसी से इलेक्ट्रॉन को निकालते हैं. हियर वैल्यू ऑफ n is 4, here value of n is equal to 3, so that जिस ऑर्बिटल के n की वैल्यू एंड प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर अधिक होता है वहीं से इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होता है, इसलिए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव, so that F E plus 2 electronic configuration will be this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s0 and 3d6. Now we take oxygen here, 2 electron octane, that is 8 to 10 electron, and 2 electron comes here, capacity of S has only 2 electrons, so that and capacity of P has 6 electrons, so that 2 electron comes on the p orbital. Now magnetic moment mu is equal to under root n plus 2, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. Now vanadium electronic configuration is this: vanadium plus 2. It means that 2 electrons removed is 23, 21, and in this case also here 2 electrons removed from this because number of n is here greater, here 3. Now unpaired electron equal to, in this case unpaired electron equal to 1, 2 and 3, 3d, so that magnetic moment under root n plus 2 and 3 plus 2, 5, 3 are 15 Bohr magnet. Now like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. Thank you.